Just arrived at my meeting place with Steve from Protective Dad. And look at that gorgeous red Stingray. All right, let's get out and talk. What? Heck yeah, man. You've got the gorgeous, gorgeous red Stingray. And if you guys haven't noticed yet, check this out. He put the stage 2 rear fins on his spoiler, and obviously, you know, we put the splash guards on the rear and on the front, and we got something planned for the next upgrade from ACS Composites. So Steve, you ready to go pick up the girls?
Dude, tonight is gonna be an awesome night. Check it.
Heck yeah, man.
It's so fun here filming each other.
So
dude, I don't know about you, but it is flipping hot out here in Texas right now.
Oh yeah, man, it is way hot. It's like 100 degrees and we're in the shade. But we're gonna let you guys know what we're doing tonight. It's kind of a special night. My really good friend, who is a lead singer of a hair band called Metal Shop, it's his 50th birthday, and his girlfriend is surprising him at Wizards in Dallas. So myself, my wife, Steve and his wife, we're all meeting up. We're gonna get some dinner, then we're gonna go over there and have a ball. Oh. So we'll get some amazing footage.
And the surprise.
Oh yeah.
The midnight surprise.
Yeah.
There's a midnight surprise you want to check out later.
Absolutely, guys.
Let's just hope the radar detectors work. I'll do enough.
Okay, sounds good, man.
Peace.
We'll check in with you soon.
Amazing, man.
One of the best nights I've had in a while.
This has been great, man.
It has been, man.
Thanks for inviting me to Metal Shop Dallas. That was, yeah, man. They were phenomenal.
Yeah, I know your wife loved them.
Oh, yeah, she loved them. But yeah, check it out, Metal Shop Dallas. They're amazing, and it's really bad that I can't show you. I can show you, but I can't put the music on because it's copyrighted. I mean, these guys. If you're listening to the lead singer Shannon, if you're like listening, you would think you're at a Motley Crue concert. I mean, this guy is amazing. Check out Metal Shop Dallas. Got to give them a plug because they're worth it. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, check them out.
Yeah. So let's move on and talk about ACS Composites and what they've done for this car so far. We made a video a couple weeks ago with the splash guards. Obviously in this video you guys have seen that we did the rear fins on his spoiler. And tell me about what you think those did for you.
Well, you saw on the highway.
Oh yeah.
My gosh. So I've been 100 before this, and I still felt like, I mean, it's okay. The car feels like it's still very stable, but doing it at one point, it just feels like this car is glued to the ground. It just feels completely different. In fact, my wife says, I was getting on her, I was like, how are you on Instagram? I mean, most people are going, woo! She's on Instagram doing that fast, and she can't tell the difference. I mean, so obviously it works. And I know my new Uniden R7 radar detector works, so I got a plug for Uniden. If you want to sponsor us, send us some money our way, because we're using you. But,
so anyway, make sure that you check out Steve's channel. It's Protective Dad Pranks and Reviews.
Yeah, and Mike's channel is Brink of Speed, and we're doing a lot of collaboration together, but you definitely want to subscribe to both our channels because we've got something in the works. He had an idea, and then I came up behind this idea, and we kind of collaborated, and there's something we're going to do on YouTube that's never been done before. I can tell you that for sure.
Absolutely.
And it's definitely going to have fan involvement, and I'll just give you a hint, it's a series, and you definitely want to be subscribed because to watch this series, you're going to have to be on both channels to see every other episode.
Absolutely.
Dude.
It's going to be epic.
Okay, but I got to go to bed, man. It's like 2 in the morning, so peace.
See you guys. What's up, man?
Hey, man, give me a second. I gotta get this stupid plug off of my car.
Bro, I got something to show you. Remember last Friday when we went out in South Lake?
Yeah.
You kept noticing like my stage 2 on the grid.
That's the bomb there.
Yeah, man, well, check it out. I dropped the ACS composite. And look at what they sent me to give to you.
Dude! What is... Dude, I saw this word right here. Stage 2 wicker right off when you showed me that box, man.
Awesome?
Dude! Who sent it to you?
Jonathan, of course.
Dude, Johnson's the man. We gotta get this on.
Dude.
Dude.
He's excited and I am too. We're gonna show you guys how to do this real quick.